Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks from images using Adobe Photoshop. Watermarks are often used to protect images from being used without permission. But sometimes we need to remove them for various reasons. So, let's get started. So the first step is open the image with the watermark in Adobe Photoshop. Let's create a layer. Brush tool. And let's select these lines. Select this manually, and you may hold the shift button to create a straight line. Now we are done selecting the watermarks using brush. Next step, let's select the layer number 2. The shortcut key is Ctrl and then click. So as you can see, the layer number 2 is selected. Then the next step is select the image or layer 1. Let's hide the layer 2. Go to edit and fill, and let's select the content aware. Okay, that's okay. Okay, then Control D. Yan, as you can see, the watermarks are gone. For the lettering watermarks, we can use the same method, or we can use the object selection tool. Then we use the lasso tool, and let's select the Let's try to erase this watermark. Same method, edit, then fill, content aware, Control D. There are some imperfections, so we can use the clone stamp tool to fix this image. With fix. Let's try again in this second watermark. Same method, select the image or layer 1, go to edit, fill, and make sure it's content aware. Okay, it's done. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Remember that removing watermarks without permission is generally illegal and unethical. So only use these techniques on the images that you have the right to modify. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.